I love healthcare in general. It's the one field that we get a chance to actually take care of people. I've always loved being at the bedside and making a difference with patients and gaining knowledge to be able to take care of them at critical times. In doing that, you begin to work with people, other nurses, new staff members, passing on those skills, being able to teach them how to make a connection with a person, and then seeing their joy once they've, reached that goal. That's the rewarding side to me. You may not think that you would receive world-class care, world-class service at such a small hospital, but in fact we make it our mission to do so. Highlands Cashiers Hospital has always been a part of the community here. The hospital and care provided here in this community is truly a little gem on the plateau.